How to change Snapchat avatar gender. Go to Snapchat, go to profile. Now, as you can see now is female. I'll change it now to male. Go to settings, scroll to down, go to Bitmoji. So from there, go to this unlock my Bitmoji, go to remove. Now tap on this create my avatar, tap on male. Here is it. Now go and customize. Go and just customize it. After you finish customizing it, all you have to do now, you can just go ahead now and tap on this save button, this one, save again. So now here is my Bitmoji. Now back. So as you can see now, that's it guys on how to change Snapchat avatar from female to male or from anywhere to anywhere. Please like and subscribe.